Ojutaaye Gist TV. Kindly subscribe. Fire on the mountain. Francis Fadahunsi, the Senator of Osun State, is now in very big trouble after they allegedly video capture that link about him mentioning Accord Party, that during the election day, that anywhere people cited Accord Party, they should what? They should just find the these utterances of negativity word went viral on the internet that have already caused a lot of commotion and a lot of confusion in the midst of the both parties. So people are wondering that what is the Mr. Governor Ademola Adeleke is going to do concerning this negativity or chances of word coming out from the Senator of Osun State, Francis Fadahunsi, that they should order quick arrest of him and question him, interview him about what exactly did he have in his mind to do. Election, as we all know, is an independent thing that people are supposed to vote for the right candidate of their own choice according to the government and the institution of Nigeria. Anybody above the age of 18 that have his or voter's card with him has the right to vote for the party of his or her own choice. So by Francis Fadahunsi saying this word of negativity word is like intimidating of the other parties voters. Okay, let's take it for instance. Assuming voters, people that want to vote for Accord Party, they hear this word that anywhere you cited anyone that want to vote for Accord Party, just buying, will you have the mindset of voting for the party again? You will be scared that, oh, what if I went there and they do something bad or hurt them? So they won't be, it's like intimidation, and that is rigid of election. That is called election rigid. So people have been calling out the Mr. Governor to take a very quick step. But in your own opinion, as you are watching the whole situation, should the Mr. Governor arrest Fadahunsi Francis concerning the escalation of this viral video of him saying that anywhere they cited Accord Party, they should find them? Do you think arresting him and questioning him, that what do you see for you to say this on the live and in people recording you? You even mentioned it there that they should record you, that anyone that wants to record you, they should record you. By this, it means a very strong warning and a very thing that a tangible thing that is going to really intimidate the voters to not to vote to their people of their right choices. So I think Mr. Governor should take a quick step, in my own opinion. But drop your own opinion in the comment section as well. I go by the name Taiwo. This is Ojutaaye Gist TV. Do not forget to kindly subscribe and comment your opinion in the comment section. Thanks for watching.